2020 Jeep Gladiator Mopa, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Price, new cars buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Jeep brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mopa, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Price, new cars buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mopa, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Price, new cars buy. 2020 Jeep Gladiator continues the famous line of trucks and SUVs which fans and buyers buy for years. Whatever happens in the car market, SUVs and trucks will always be popular among buyers, not only because of their look and appearance but also for heavy load driving and off-road performances. That is why Gladiator, as well as other models in the same line, like Wrangler, always has their buyers, who are not interested in modern, boxy, and soft-edged trucks, but want utility, strong engine, and simple but interesting design. Exterior. 2020 Jeep Gladiator remained the similar look and shape as before, with only a few changed details. Recognizable mesh grille with vertically positioned chromatic grids has rounded lights and metallic frame in front of it for protection. Below it is metallic protection with hooks for work. The rear end is expectedly flat and simple, with the similar lights as before. The truck has also flat roof and simple glasses, so the car looks cubic with sharp edges. Interior. 2020 Jeep Gladiator has unusual comfortable and modern cabin. The soft and well-shaped dashboard has small touch screen above few buttons and commands and a simple center cluster. The cabin is made of dark gray quality plastic in combination with chromatic details. It is a visibly larger cabin, with more space for passengers and wider seats. Engine. There are two optional engines that come with 2020 Jeep Gladiator. First one is 3.6-liter V6, well-known strong and useful petrol engine for Jeep's drivers that have been seen in similar trucks like Ram 1500, Dodge Charger, and Chrysler Pacifica. It should produce 225 horsepower of strength and 350 pound-feet of torque. It comes paired with 8-speed intelligent velocity in all versions. However, there is more attractive and new 2.8-liter petrol engine matched with a 6-speed automatic transmission with 160 horsepower and 296 pound-feet of torque. You may saw this version in Nissan Patrol and Toyota Land Cruiser Prado but in diesel version. 2020 Jeep Gladiator release date and price. 2020 Jeep Gladiator hit the market in the middle of the next year, and the price obviously should not be much different from this model, since it is not much changed from the last one, so expect the number around $29,000 for the base model. As we said, there are numerous models on the market with the similar performances and utilization, but there are no many trucks that look like Gladiator and Wrangler. Thanks.